Have you ever wondered, what is the soul? The concept of the soul has been contemplated by philosophers, theologians, and psychologists for centuries. Today, we turn to the wisdom of Imam Al Ghazali, a towering figure in Islamic philosophy and mysticism, to shed some light on this profound question. Our first segment delves into Al Ghazali's perspective on the soul. Al Ghazali believed that the soul, or ruh, is a divine spark. It's not a physical entity, but rather a non-material essence that gives life to the body. This essence, according to Al Ghazali, is the true self, the part of us that thinks, feels, and ultimately seeks to understand its divine origin. Now, imagine the soul as a white canvas. It's pure and unblemished. But as we journey through life, this canvas gets painted with different colors. These colors represent our Akhlaq, our moral character and behavior. This brings us to the second segment of our discussion, the structure of Akhlaq. Akhlaq, in Ghazalian psychology, refers to the practice of virtue, morality, and manners in Islamic theology and philosophy. Al Ghazali posited that our Akhlaq is shaped by our thoughts, feelings, and actions. Every thought we entertain, every feeling we experience, and every action we undertake leaves a mark on our soul, shaping our Akhlaq. But how are these Akhlaq formed? Al Ghazali believed that they are cultivated through a process of habituation. By consistently practicing virtuous thoughts, feelings, and actions, we can nurture good Akhlaq. On the other hand, negative thoughts, feelings, and actions can lead to the development of bad Akhlaq. In summary, Al Ghazali's perspective on the soul and Akhlaq presents a holistic view of human psychology. He encourages us to see the soul as our true self, a divine spark seeking to understand its origin. He also urges us to be mindful of our Akhlaq, as they are shaped by our thoughts, feelings, and actions. By understanding Al Ghazali's teachings, we can gain a deeper insight into our own psyche and strive towards cultivating a virtuous character. So the next time you ponder about the soul or wonder about the nature of your Akhlaq, remember the wisdom of Al Ghazali. It might just provide the answers you seek.